this thing on. Mic check. So I just realized I was actually connected to this phone because I wanted to play a song. I'm not connected to that phone, but the sound is goodish. Should I, you know, when you record on selfie mode, then you tend to like look at yourself the whole time. And I did try out some makeup, like we have makeup here at home and it belongs to my mom, so I just like tried out this just to like cover up some stuff, whatever. I like how it looks. It looks pretty cool. I wish I had some highlighter though. Oh, and also I wanted to cover up the bags under my eyes because I was watching Victoria Kaiser 20's live last night. My first live. Or should I say 4? It was so interesting. And I'm planning on things that I want to say to her if I do go live with her. Because she gets such a lot of viewers and they all like get a chance to be in the live. So I need to plan what I'm gonna say. That's why I'm wearing this, because of Victoria Kaiser. It says barriers. Everyone goes into the... Oh, barriers! Look there. Oh my word. And this shoe is called a Nike Air Barrage. And I'm going to unbox it. It's my own first pair of Airs. Like I have one Air Max, but it used to belong to someone else and I bought it from him. But yes, here it is. Oh, I didn't play the song. This is the perfect time to play it. Okay. Sir, I wanted to play this song because
Hustled the money cause I really wanted to own it. Boys in the hood, they saw me with it, so they broke in my house and they stole it. The soul for the techies. The techies. The soul for the techies. The techies.
I pulled out the stock kamikaze Reeboks, but
when I was 8, I tried my first pair of Jordans on. Asked my mom, can we buy these? She said, sorry son, I just can't afford. So I hustled the money cause I really wanted to own it. Boys in the hood, they saw me with it, so they broke in my house and they stole it. The soul for the techies. The techies.
Wait, there was actually something else in this box. Oh, just random pieces of... air! Bags of air! That's so cool! Sealed air? This either may be the dumbest thing or the smartest thing I've ever seen. I'm gonna wait as a straw. I'm like bus on a too. That fell because I said bus. I would usually say pop. Pop! I'm very excited. I haven't seen it in person yet. I've just seen pictures of it and I'm a bit nervous because it's the first time I got a shoe in a long time. A new shoe. So the quality is gonna be a bit bad now because my mom's phone is full. Here it goes. Let me just open it, man. I'm wasting enough time. Here we go, here we go, here we go. If you people just look at this, how it's packaged. Tissue paper! It's fancy app! This is so quiet, like with air, you know? I don't know why I'm pulling them out. I guess it's to like not let the box shake around and stuff. To protect the shoe at all costs. They sent me a happy birthday! Sporty. Happy 21st birthday, Ame and E-Cute Lee. O and Orsco semicolon Shay. This is so quiet, but why is my name like that? I kind of like it though. Oh my word, that is the best.
And cute.
Computer probably mess it up. I kind of like it though.
Let me see. Oh.
This is what
Nog geen idee.
I'm really nervous. Reduce, reuse and recycle. Thanks. Actually I read it in the opposite. It says Recycle, reduce, and reuse. Whatever, I don't feel like reading it. The box we've all been waiting for! I'm so happy! Okay, I know it's just a materialistic thing and you wear it on your feet to get you places when we should be actually like just walking barefoot. But sickness and all that versus fashion and comfort, you know? And just like famous people who actually played sport and did great things wore these same types of shoes and we get to wear them, which is cool. And I love the color of this box. I'm wearing my Adidas tracksuit pants inside out. Okay, I know it's another new thing, but I haven't gotten a pants in a long time. And it's very comfortable, it's good quality. Like, it's not about the brand, the brand itself, like they produce good quality stuff. Like, it's cool, I don't know, it's cool, whatever. So it's a size 5 Nike Air Barrage white and blue. That's why I wore these white and blue socks. And I also have this pair. It's a bit like worn, but I like this colors and it also belongs to my ex and I like to wear it sometimes. It's peeking, I can see it. I knew it. I love it. Love at first sight. Cool. Green piece of paper that will probably be an artwork. Oh, I'm so excited. Yo, I'm so excited, man. Like is a wow, they are bulky. But I'm gonna tie my laces like a bit tighter. I don't care. Like I know it looks cooler to tie it, leave it loose, but it's not lekker to walk or in case you need to run somewhere. So I'm just gonna tighten it. But this is so awesome. Look at that. Get out of here. Thank you. Oh my gosh, it feels great. No, I can't. This is a once in a lifetime. Let me just put it on my feet instead of holding it in my hands. Imagine we had hands for legs and legs for hands. I'd be like, hey, hey. While I'm putting this in. Yo, it fits like, I feel like I'm going to space. Let me put on the other one. Yo, I can't wait to jump in these. Yo, it feels like a dream. Imagine it's like that movie Like Mike and then I must start playing gevaarlijk. Gevaarlijk means dangerous, but in slang it means kwaai. Sometimes it's dangerous to post stuff and especially because of the type of things people are posting today. But that's, the sad thing is that's how you get a lot of followers and then you can like share your views and stuff. They're all cool people. It feels great. Yes, that looks great for me and it feels great. How does the fit look, man? I wonder what the word barrage means. I'm gonna search it. Like, I feel like I can jump. But yeah, you see how I look before I see how I look. But it doesn't matter how you look, it's how it feels, you know what I mean? But they do look good from my view. I do love the sides. The sides are awesome. I should be wearing a spacesuit right now. Oh my gosh. This is just a blessing. I'll definitely be adding more shoes like this to my collection. I'm starting a collection. I see it. I want my cupboard to be strategically and aesthetically awesomely designed for all of my shoes. From now on, just call me Amy. I'll never wear other shoes again. Yo, this is gonna get dirty. Because I'm a messy person and also like I go anywhere I want to. So these are gonna be dirty soon. But I'm gonna keep it as like a fashionable choice for a little while. Because what's the point of buying it if you're not gonna wear it all the time? Yes, I'm gonna get a few good pics with these definitely.